Okay, you may wonder why this is on most of a page. Well, these things are just long. They're not very hard, but they're long. Fortunately, after the term ends, we'll be on to chapter 3 where we get to do these things. Where we get to do these things the easier way. F of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So start distributing some of this multiplication. Okay, the two denominators, in spite of they have nothing to do with each other. Just like 3 and 3 plus 2 to do with each other as denominators. 3, 5, you just have to multiply them together. So we multiply the first fraction by the other denominator. And the second fraction times the first denominator. Okay. Okay, we need to multiply out the top. The h is what's causing the division by 0. We need to get everything that doesn't have an h on top to cancel. But the bottom, I'm just going to leave. So, let's see. Foily, foily, foily. Don't forget to distribute the minus sign as well as the 3x. Looks like a few of the things that have h's are going to get canceled too, but that's okay. Okay, what cancels? Let's see. Dinga, dinga, bunga. Ooh, most of it. Oh, I see 2x plus 5's on there, being multiplied, not added. Okay, there we go. That's my derivative. So just a little note for tangent lines. Plug into the original to get the y value. Okay, so that's a coincidence that x and y happen to be the same. And then what was the derivative? Oh yeah, 15 over 2x plus 5 squared. Okay, so the eigenvalue goes near y, the slope goes near the parentheses. And minus 1 is plus 1. All right, we have checked this out before, but this is the one where you multiply by the conjugate. So I have looks like I got a notification, but doesn't let you see what it was. Okay, f of x plus h minus f of x whole thing over h, and we multiply by the conjugate. Now, when I say conjugate, the only thing that changes is the sign of the subtraction that's in the middle, not the little subtractions. Okay, and remember that what it does is kills off the square root signs on the top. I'm going to distribute the 5. Don't forget to subtract f of x properly. Bottom gets mucked up, but not in a way that causes division by 0, so. Okay, what all cancels? Let's see. 5x cancels, minus 2 cancels, and we are left with okay, so a banana plus a banana is 2 bananas. So because you have plus signs on the bottom, you just multiply by 2. Okay. This one is going to be a fraction and a square root, so we're going to have to do all sorts of stuff. Compound fraction, so I am going to do the 1 over h thing. In retrospect, I could have factored out the 1/3 also, but I'll show you that you've been able to cancel it later anyways. Okay, common denominator. It's like cross multiplying, except you don't use the denominators. But they do get multiplied together, not added or subtracted. Okay, now what? Now we have to do the multiply by the conjugate thing. So okay, don't forget 1 over h. Okay, 3 root x times 3 root x is 9x. The plus and the minus make everything in the middle cancel, and then you have 9x plus h. And there's all this junk being multiplied together. Don't try and do anything with it yet. Isn't this lovely? I'm writing it out a second time because you've got to be very careful that you're canceling the 9x's and leaving a negative 9 with the h. The more steps you can stand to write down, the less you're likely to suffer from arithmetic problems. Terrible H. Okay, the 9x is canceled and you're left with negative 9h. All this nonsense. Okay. Cancel that h. And what are we left with? Okay, at this point I think I'm going to kill the 9 with the 3's. Don't forget that leaves 1. All the other h's go to 0. 3 bananas plus 3 bananas is 6 bananas. There we go. That was horrible.